Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to download and install Windsurf plugin. So this is going to be pretty easy. First, what we're going to do is, you can see we are on Windsurf platform, and this is where you should be, windsurf.com. So once you are here, what you need to do is you need to click onto this download option, top side right side of your screen. But I highly suggest that you simply get your account created on Windsurf, because that is going to be the first step. And once your account is ready, you can click on this download option, and then you're going to be choosing your uh, coding editors or your IDE for your development. So of course it is available in plugin form, and you cannot find it as a standalone software. So it is going to be working with extension or plugin in your IDE or your code editor. You can see we have a lot of them simply populated here, and it is available for majority of them. If you want it for Google Code Studio, you're going to be simply clicking onto that, and then your plugin is going to be installed onto that particular. So you can see we have manual installation guide here as well. And yeah, so for that you're going to be needing to open your IDE, and then in the extension section you're going to be searching for Codium. Once you do that, you need to simply press on install and create your account, and boom, that is going to be literally it. That's how you can install Windsurf for free, and I hope that is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching.